Hi gang, it's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. In the kitchen today, we're going to make some salmon egg rolls. Here in the bowl, I got some sun-dried tomatoes, which y'all see here in the middle. And then we got some rice with some chopped spinach and also some chopped carrots. Here on the side, I got some salmon that I just baked up in the oven. And I'm going to crumble that up in the bowl first, y'all. And, yeah. Get that crumbled up. For our egg roll wrappers, I'll show y'all. We got these egg roll wrappers here. I got a whole pack of them. I got some grated cheese. And what that cheese is a roasted garlic, sun-dried tomato, basil cheese, y'all. And then also I got some feta cheese. So that's our mixture for our salmon and rice egg rolls. And then you can add to it as you like. I switch the egg rolls up. I've been making these for years. They're kind of like a staple for Zoladonsfreshmarket. I figured I'd share this recipe with y'all today because I've been sharing it with family and friends for years, to the point people are actually selling my recipe, y'all. Can you believe that? But yeah, that's life. So I figure I'll share it with y'all. And for those that have been trying to make a purchase on these salmon and rice egg rolls, now you can make them at home for yourself. So yeah, I just got some gloves on today. Just giving that a mix around as I'm breaking that salmon up. You can also add shrimp to your mixture, y'all. As well, I did it by adding shrimp to my mixture as well. It's good that way. Just like a combination of seafood. You could do lobster, shrimp and lobster, but it started out as a, like I say, salmon and rice egg roll. Alright, it's mixed around pretty good. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add the cheese, y'all. You can add as much cheese as you like. I just took and grated half of the sun-dried tomato basil stick. I just grated half a stick of cheese. So I know I'm going to add feta cheese to this as well. Also, y'all, you can add Italian cheese mixture as well. I'm going to add this whole bowl of feta cheese in there. Alright. Get those big chunks broke up so you don't have no humps. Alright. Let's go ahead and keep mixing. So you got a good mixture and everything is fully combined. And that's how your salmon and egg rice filling is going to come together. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Right now is March Madness time, so maybe you'll get to make this video as an appetizer for your March Madness party. It pairs really well as a dipping sauce with the lemon aioli. That's what I use to dip it in, y'all. So I do have a video on my page on how to make the lemon aioli sauce. So yeah, go ahead and watch that video so you can get your garlic sauce, lemon garlic sauce for dipping. Alright, so that's pretty well combined, y'all. And now, here to the side, I got some egg wash. I can move that spoon. So going to start by, let me get my parchment paper moved over so y'all can see what I'm doing. I got a dish over here to the side as well. It's where I'm going to sit them once I'm done wrapping them up. I don't know if you ever wrapped up egg rolls before, but super simple. I'm going to take one, or you can take two as well for extra added crunch and extra added safety if you're a newbie to like wrapping egg rolls. Take some of that mixture. Get it stretched down. Take one piece, fold it over. You're going to come from this way, fold that over this way, take that piece over, and that's where we're at. Okay, so now make one more little fold, y'all, for that crease. Go ahead and dip your fingers in that wash. Get it on your tip. And get that rolled over. You got an egg roll. Okay, so that's your egg roll. Go ahead and put that to the side. Get your next one. Go ahead and get you some more batter here, or should I say filling, call it a batter. Get you some filling. You don't want to overstuff. Go ahead and fold that corner this way. Take one side, fold it this way in. Take the other side, fold it in. Go ahead and get you some egg wash on your edge over here so that it sticks for you. Get that rolled over. Got an egg roll. So I'm going to do one more with y'all, and then I'm going to go ahead and just get them wrapped up. I won't bore y'all with the process on the camera. I'll come back and show y'all once they're all done. But for the newbies, you got your diamond. So you want to tip directly in front of you when you lay it down. Go ahead and get you some filling. Put it in the middle. Alright, take that tip that's closest to you, fold it in. Okay, take the tip to the left or to the right, fold it in. Sorry, y'all. One moment, y'all, I'm sorry. I got a timer for an alarm for my meds. Okay, let's keep going. So we folded that left side in. So now we're going to take that, well, the right side, should I say. Now let's take that left side and fold it in. Get us some wash. Put it on the edge. Then go ahead and take that egg roll and roll it over. Okay. Got another egg roll. Take it aside. Okay, I'll do one more with y'all. So again, got your diamond tip in front of you. Go ahead, get you some of that salmon mixture. Press it down in the middle. Take the tip closest to you, fold it in. Take your right tip, fold it in. Take your left tip, fold it in. Okay. Get you some egg wash, put it on outermost tip, and go ahead, take that egg roll, and go roll it over. Okay, that's your egg roll process. Okay, so I'll be back once I got them all wrapped, y'all. Okay, y'all, got them all wrapped up. All set. Get that bowl to the side. Get my leftover wrappers to the side. Fold up the mess. Get it in the trash. Okay. Okay, gang. So we got our salmon and rice egg rolls all wrapped up. As you can see, you can go ahead and get these fried up until they're golden crispy brown in the skillet, or you can also wrap them in parchment paper, y'all, and freeze them. I want to say, I don't know, up to 6 months maybe, or longer. But you can also wrap them, like I say, in parchment, put them in freezer bags, and freeze them for later usage as well. So yeah, it's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket, and I'll show you what they look like once I got a few fried up in the next clip. So I'll be back. Okay, gang, we're back. We got a hot skillet of grease here, some canola oil, and we're gonna go ahead and get our salmon and rice egg rolls fried up. Trying to stick the wrapper back so it doesn't come out. I put some in the freezer, y'all. And then I picked up some here. So I'm going to go ahead and let those cook up until they're golden brown. And by the time everything cooks up golden brown, everything within should be melted as well. So all our cheese and rice and spinach and sun-dried tomatoes, salmon, everything should be coming together. I had let those sit in the refrigerator, y'all, for about an hour or so. And while I let those sit, I made some lemon aioli sauce for dipping. Recipe for this sauce and the video for how to make this sauce is in my bio. So head on over there and watch that video for the good sauce that goes along with these salmon and rice egg rolls. Grab some tongues, gang. Alright. Grab some tongues so we can get them flipped over. Y'all can see they don't take long to cook. And I got my skillet up kind of high as well. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. Thanks for watching the salmon and rice egg roll video. Comment down below. Let me know how y'all like the recipe once y'all try it out. These are looking amazing. I wish y'all can smell my kitchen right now. It smells so good. Kind of roll your egg roll around. Make sure you're getting it brown on all sides, crispy on all sides. And for reheating, y'all can put these either in the oven Or y'all can put them in the air fryer as well if y'all want to reheat them. Okay, gang. These are just about done. I don't want them too crispy. I still like them kind of a smidget chewy. I'm gonna go ahead, get these out the grease. Y'all can see they're looking so amazing. Please subscribe to my channel. Share the videos as you watch them. Trying to get my subscribers up. Okay, y'all. So that's our salmon and rice egg rolls. Let me get that grease cut off. So that's our salmon and rice egg rolls. And, let me grab a knife, y'all. I'll cut it in half so y'all can see what it looks like. Just take one here. Okay. Show y'all what that looks like on the inside. Y'all can see that looks amazing on the inside. Yes. So good. A staple in my house for years. Salmon and rice egg rolls. It's your girl Jack. Zoladonsfreshmarket. Making salmon and rice egg rolls. Comment down below. Let me know if you like them. Once you try the recipe, come back to the video. Subscribe to the channel. It's your girl Jack, Zoladonsfreshmarket. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.